Hello guys, welcome back to iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot the passcode, or if your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone Unavailable screen or the security lockout screen. This is a very common issue. Sometimes people forget their iPhone passcode, and sometimes too many wrong passcode attempts are entered, which causes the device to get locked completely. And once that happens, a lot of people get confused and start wondering how they can get back into the phone again. So in this video, I'm going to show you the full process step by step. But before we begin, I want to make one thing very clear right from the start so there is no confusion later. This process will erase all data from the iPhone. So yes, the device will be unlocked, but the iPhone will also be wiped during the process. If you already have an iCloud backup or a computer backup, then later you may be able to restore your data. But if no backup exists, then you will need to set the phone up as a new device. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to unlock the iPhone, but I'll also explain what happens after the erase, including the hello screen, the setup process, activation lock, and how you can restore your data from backup. This cannot be done without a computer, so you will need either a Windows PC or a Mac for this process. Now let's move over to the computer. First, open the Wondershare Dr.Fone website. I have placed the link in the video description. From there, download the software for your system. It is available for both Windows and Mac, so just download the correct version for your computer. Once the download is complete, install the software just like any normal program. And after that, launch Dr.Fone. Now once Dr.Fone opens, one thing I want to mention here is that this is not just a single-purpose tool. It is actually a full toolkit with multiple features. So besides unlocking for iOS, it also includes other tools such as system repair, data recovery, WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, and other device-related features. But in this video, our focus is specifically on the unlock for iOS process. After that, select the iOS option because we are working with an iPhone. This is where the actual passcode removal process begins. Now connect your locked iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. If your device is already showing iPhone Unavailable or security lockout, that is completely fine. Just connect it in that state. After that, the software will guide you to the next step, and this is the point where you may need to put the iPhone into recovery mode, and that is a very important step in this process. Now let me show you how to enter recovery mode. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, like in my case, I am using an iPhone 16 Pro Max, then do the following. Press and quickly release volume up, then press and quickly release volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, then press and hold the volume down button and the side button together. If you have an iPhone 6s or earlier, then press and hold the home button and the top or side button together. So just follow the method for your iPhone model until the recovery mode screen appears. Now once the iPhone enters recovery mode successfully, the software should detect the device. And now we can continue. So here I'm going to click on Start. Now the next step is to download the required firmware package for the iPhone. So now let the firmware download complete. This may take a little time depending on your internet speed, so just be patient here. During this step, do not disconnect the iPhone, do not disturb the cable, and do not close the software. Once the firmware download is complete, we can move to the next stage. Now, before I continue, let me make something clear one more time. In the next step, the software will erase the iPhone in order to remove the forgotten passcode. So if anyone is expecting the phone to unlock while keeping all the locked data exactly as it is, that is generally not how this situation works. The lock is removed by erasing the device, and after that, you can restore your data later only if a backup already exists. Now I'm going to begin the unlocking process. So once I click the button, the software starts working on the device. At this stage, the phone may restart, show different screens, and take a few minutes to complete the process. Just be patient and let the software finish everything properly. And again, this is where using a high-quality USB cable really matters, because if the connection breaks during the process, you may run into problems. Alright, now the process is complete. The passcode has been removed. After the iPhone is erased, it does not go back to your old home screen. Instead, it starts up again like a freshly reset iPhone, and you will see the hello screen. So now let's talk about what happens next. From here, swipe up and begin the setup process. First, choose your language, then select your country or region. After that, you may see the Quick Start option. If you have another iPhone nearby, you can use Quick Start, otherwise just tap Setup manually. Then connect the iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. After that, the phone will go through the activation process. Now here is another very important point. If Activation Lock is enabled on the iPhone, then you may need to sign in using the same Apple ID that was previously connected to that device. So just because the passcode has been removed does not mean Apple ID verification is automatically removed as well. That is why you should make sure you know your original Apple ID and password, especially if the device belongs to you and was already linked to your account before. Now, as you continue through the setup, you will eventually reach the Apps and Data screen, and this is the key part for data recovery. Here you will usually see options like Restore from iCloud Backup, Restore from Mac or PC, or Don't Transfer Apps and Data. If you already have an iCloud backup, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup, sign in with your Apple ID, and select the correct backup. And if no backup exists at all, then you will have to continue by setting the iPhone up as a new device. So this is exactly why I mentioned data loss at the beginning of the video. The phone can be unlocked, but your previous data can only come back if you already have a backup to restore from. So guys, that is the full process of how to unlock an iPhone that is stuck on iPhone Unavailable, Security Lockout, or when you have forgotten the passcode using Wondershare Dr.Fone Unlock for iOS. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and if you want more iPhone tutorials, fixes, unlock guides, and iOS tips, then let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.